Let's go on an animal adventure today. We'll count from 1 to 10. With our furry, feathery pals, let's begin. Bob, a little monkey swinging in a tree, he waved his hand and smiled at me. 2 ducks waddling near a pond, splashing around and singing a song. Harder, 3 loud lions roaring with pride, they played together side by side. Harbour, big elephants stomping in line, trumpets blowing, it's counting time. Heard 5 green frogs hopping on the floor, boing, 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 then came one more. 6 white swans in a graceful row, they flapped their wings and said hello. 7 playful puppies chasing a ball, they tumbled and had a great fall. 8 cute kittens purring so sweet, they rubbed their heads and licked their feet. 9 striped zebras trotting around, they neighed and danced without a sound. 10 cuddly bears waving goodnight under the stars in soft moonlight. Wow, that was fun, counting all those animal friends one by one. Let's come back soon for more learning.